Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about ignition control for Bakers Pride Part M2138A. Ignition control for Bakers Pride Part M2138A is a replacement part for Bakers Pride ovens. It is a gas-fired oven control that provides precise temperature control and safety features. The ignition control monitors the oven temperature and automatically adjusts the gas flow to maintain the desired temperature. It also has a safety shutoff feature that will shut off the gas supply if the oven temperature exceeds a certain limit. The ignition control also includes an adjustable timer that can be used to set the length of time that the oven will remain on. This part fixes the following symptoms. The ignition control for Bakers Pride Part M2138A is designed to fix symptoms related to the oven not igniting or not staying lit. This part is used to replace the existing ignition control module in order to restore proper operation of the oven. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the oven before beginning installation. 2. Remove the existing control panel from the oven by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect all wires from the existing control panel and remove it from the oven. 4. Install the new ignition control for Bakers Pride Part M2138A by connecting all of the wires to their corresponding terminals on the new control panel. Make sure to refer to a wiring diagram for proper connection of each wire. 5. Securely mount the new control panel in place with screws and tighten th. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.